We return with the festivities. Now, as life becomes more modern, many traditional Mid-Autumn Festival toys are gradually being replaced by new types. In Vietnam, some young people today are working to recreate lanterns in their original proportions or crafting miniature versions of traditional items in an effort to keep Vietnamese heritage alive.
Lanterns from the Mid-Autumn Festival a century ago can now be found in the heart of modern Ho Chi Minh City. These are the result of 5 years of research and reconstructions by Kim Thuy, a young artisan passionate about Vietnamese folk culture.
It took me about the first 6 months just to study lantern making. At first, I tried rattan, but it was too soft. Then I switched to bamboo, but it was too brittle. Eventually, I discovered plastic strings, which can be shaped with heat and bent into form.
For Ha An, her journey took a different path. Wanting Vietnamese overseas to better understand the Mid-Autumn Festival, she began handcrafting miniature souvenirs inspired by traditional toys.
My main source was photo books, but they were only in black and white. The images didn't give me a real vivid sense of the toys. So I decided to recreate them in miniature form so people can actually hold them in their hands. I want to share this culture with Vietnamese living abroad so these little toys can travel across the world.
Today, the traditional Mid-Autumn toys crafted by these young artisans are more than just playthings for children. They embody a desire to preserve the spirit of the festival.
I think this is both a way of self-expression and affirming one's roots. These young people have studied foreign cultures extensively, but the more they explore, the more they feel the pull to return to their own origins. They want to understand their roots first, then innovate and adapt from that foundation, and finally, present Vietnamese cultural essence to the world.
Culture can only thrive when it lives alongside the present, while also understanding that behind every traditional Mid-Autumn toy lies a story of heritage that should be preserved.